Hi friends, today we'll do a night sky in watercolors. I'm going to use this watercolor paper from Fabriano and I'm also going to use this pan set from Daller and Rowney. You can use the tube colors as well as the watercolor cakes. Hi, this is Modula for Modula Creations. Let's get started. For convenience, I have attached the watercolor paper to my board. I actually start by applying lighter colors first and then layer the darker colors on top of it. I am using a size 10 brush to create the entire sky. If you like my video, please click on the like button below and also subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.